What's going on, guys? It's your friend Jack here, and today we're going to be taking a look at my Amazon KDP earnings from the month of February. Now, this is the second month I've been doing Amazon KDP, so keep that in mind. I'm still building up my portfolio, and as of right now, all of these are journals, and they're just my t-shirt designs from print on demand brought over to Amazon KDP, no content journals. But before we get into the juicy content, I'm just going to ask you guys real quick, you know the deal. Like the like button and smash it and stuff if you enjoy this video whatsoever. And at any point in time, if you guys feel the need to comment or ask a question, leave it down below. I will check it out and get back to you. But now let's get into the juicy content and let's reveal the numbers from the month of February for my Amazon KDP account. Alright, so here we are on my Amazon KDP report account, and you're gonna see I made $7.77 US cents last month, and that it was from 7 book sales. And actually February was a very short month. I made 2 more sales on March 1st, so you might want to say that in the last 30 days I've made 9 sales and closer to $10. However, I'm just showing you guys these numbers. They aren't anything huge or crazy, but I also want to preface that I haven't uploaded much to Amazon KDP. I've only uploaded couple hundred journals. Yes, hundreds of journals, maybe even close to 1,000 now, but they're just journals. I didn't put a huge amount of time into them. I pretty much uploaded them with no effort at all, 20, 30, 40, 50 a day, and they didn't take that much time. If you want to see my upload process, I'll link that down in the description. And if you haven't seen my last month's earnings, because they're actually more than this month's earnings, definitely check out that video. It was my first 30 days with Amazon KDP, so that was a little bit more insightful into how I'm getting started and how I'm doing now. But I have different plans going forward, and 7 sales in the month of February I'm not too sad about. I actually got majority of these sales on different books in the previous month, so I'm building some, sales ranks in different countries. But if I can just get 1 sale from, 100 books a month, that's 100 sales. So right now I'm focusing more on quality, less on quantity. Now that I've got all my t-shirt designs put over to KDP, I'm focusing now on creating new specific low content and no content books. But before I was just focusing on covers and converting my t-shirts to covers with journals. Now I'm doing more log books, activity books, coloring books. I'm focusing on different types of content that I can customize to a niche, and that I think is going to be able to drive a lot more sales than just blank line journals with a simple cover. So if we go to the past 30 days, you're going to see it's at 10 units ordered. And honestly, if we compare this to a print on demand website, for my second month, having 10 units ordered is actually quite incredible. This is all organic traffic and with minimum effort too. I'm not targeting niches specifically on Amazon that I find. I'm literally targeting niches that I already kind of targeted with print on demand designs and validated on different websites, but that has no idea, or I have no idea if these designs are even selling whatsoever on the platform. I'm not doing any big research into creating books before, or thinking about keywords to research before I create the books. I'm just converting my t-shirt designs and putting them on journals. So the fact that you can get 10 sales just doing that without actually trying to make specific content for the platform, it's really just journals with basic covers on them. The fact that I can make 10 sales doing that means this platform is quite powerful, and anything associated with Amazon is obviously going to be powerful, but organic traffic, no ad spend, and that's such a low amount of effort that I basically just took my t-shirt designs and plopped them onto journals, right? There's nothing too complicated about it. There's nothing that I did specifically for KDP, really. I didn't customize the journals or the covers for KDP. I just had a black background or white background and the logo on the front, no back cover, and it's that simple. And I still made 10 units, which is quite impressive. So I'm not going to share the niches that I sold these 10 units in. I just want to let you guys know that it's going to surprise you. The niches that sell on Amazon can surprise you. And if you get a few sales in a single niche, because I do have like 20 designs per niche usually, that's a sign that maybe you should go back and look at it and then create different low content books, which I'm going to do for that niche, not just journals, actual low content books like log books or puzzle books or activity books or coloring books, things like that. Go back, create it for those niches that I've already sold with journals, and you're going to be able to basically, before you even create them, go validate the keywords, see how much searches they can get and all that good stuff, see if the sales are there, see if the demand is there, and check the competition. But this allows you to get a kind of foot in the game if you're coming from print on demand, just being able to create books and journals from simple print-on-demand designs and make sales on Amazon is like a free revenue source. These 10 units, I know I didn't make $1 million this month, but the effort that I put in to make even $7, and this is recurring income, these are things that are going to stay on the platform going forward for the year. So if I can make $7 a month and stop right now, the effort I put in, which was very minimal, would make me $7 times 12, which is like $100. And that's also US, so we convert that to my currency, we're looking at like 120, 130 bucks. So it's not bad. And if you guys want to start doing this and you're interested in KDP, selling on Amazon KDP, then I highly recommend you check out my other videos. I have a full tutorial on kind of how to go from print on demand to KDP. So I feel like that would be quite useful for you. But if you're watching this video and you don't even know what print on demand is, and you're like, what is this guy talking about? Pretty much, print on demand is selling designs on t-shirts and other products online. You put them up to the platforms, they sell them for you. In most cases, that's the model that I'm using, and you get a commission. But you can take those designs and put them on books and journal covers, and you can make sales like this, 10 units. And I didn't really do much, but other than upload simple designs to journals. It's not like I'm creating a long form book. It's not like I'm creating a coloring book. It's very simple, and I highly recommend that you guys try it. If you guys want to kind of add something more to your, e-commerce and revenue streams, I think this is a great place to start. And I just wanted to share this, second month of Amazon KDP with you guys. Hopefully my third, fourth, and fifth, and going forward, they're going to expand and grow because I'm going to be focusing more on different types of low content, not just journals. And I've probably said that like 10 times in this video, but yeah, that's pretty much my whole earnings. There's not too much to look at. Marketplaces were mainly in the UK. For I believe 8 out of 10 of these sales, it was the UK, 1 in Canada, and 1 in Germany. So definitely pretty awesome how you can expand your reach to all these different platforms, and I highly recommend you guys try KDP. There's videos down in the description to get started. If you guys have any questions, ask them below, and that's the video. So yep, that's my second month of Amazon KDP. That's the whole video for today. If you enjoyed this video at any point, please consider smashing the like button. And also, if you guys made it to this point of the video, comment down below KDP winner. If you made it to this point, I will know. I will heart your comment. Comment whatever. You don't have to comment Amazon KDP winner, but if you do, I'll know you made it to this point of the video. And I always appreciate you guys' feedback and all that good stuff. So you have anything to say, any constructive criticism, anything like that, leave it down in the comments and I'll be sure to view it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please have a great day, keep striving, stay blessed. It's been your friend Jack. Peace out.